there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet the 3D cluster stitch. And I've made for you two samples, one in a single color, so you can see the texture and the thickness and how squishy it is. And also one in two colors for you to see how it looks like two different fabrics, two different colors on either side. So this is a double-sided pattern you can use in blankets, in garments, and so on. It's also a very simple pattern. It's only a 2-row repeat, and you can crochet this pretty fast because it uses double crochet stitches. So let's get started. For this tutorial, I decided to make a sample in two colors, and I chose orange and yellow in a round yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. This pattern requires you to have multiples of 3 plus 2 chains in your starting chain. Mine has 32. And now we are going to start with round 1, and on round 1 we will double crochet into the 6th chain from the hook. So count backwards 6 chains, and in that 6th one make a double crochet. Then skip 1 chain, and into the next make 3 double crochet. So that is 1, 2, and 3. Now again we will skip 1 chain, and into the next make 1 double crochet. And this is your repeat section where you skip 1 chain, make 3 double crochet next, then skip 1 chain, then make a double crochet. And we repeat this section until we have 2 chains left. So let me show you again another repeat. Skip 1, into the next, make 3 double crochet. So that's 1, that's 2, and 3. Then we skip 1 chain, and into the next make a double crochet. So just repeat this until you have 2 chains left. So now I've crocheted all the way to the end. I finished with a double crochet, and we have 2 chains left. We are going to skip 1 and chain 1, and then double crochet in the last one. And this is your first round. We will change colors on round 2, so bring your other color and pull a loop through the loop on your hook, like so, and then turn. And round 2 starts with a chain 3 that counts as a double crochet. Now skip 1 stitch, and we will make 3 front post double crochet around the double crochet post below. So let's do one of those. You yarn over, insert your hook from front to back and out again around the double crochet post, and then just make your double crochet as usual. Pull a longish loop and just make your double crochet. Now we will make 3 of them in total. So we've made 1, now a second one, and a third one around the same post, like so. And this is how it looks like. Now skip 1 stitch, and then into the next one, which is the middle double crochet from below, we will make a double crochet. And this is your repeat section. Again, we skip 1 stitch, then we make 3 front post double crochet around the double crochet below, then again skip 1 stitch and make a double crochet into the double crochet, in the middle double crochet of the 3 you made below. So right there in that middle one we make a double crochet, and now you repeat this section until the end of the row. So let me show you again another repeat. Like I said, we skip 1 stitch, and then into the next one, which is the double crochet below, we make 3 front post double crochet. So insert the hook from front to back and make your double crochet remember to pull a looser loop than you will do for a regular double crochet. Okay, so that's 3. And again, we skip 1 stitch, but remember, because we worked the 3 front post double crochet, this one stitch is available at the back. That is not the stitch to skip. That's already been used by front posting in the double crochet below. You will have to skip the next stitch. And then if it's easier for you, just remember you double crochet into the middle of the 3 double crochet cluster below. So skip 1 stitch and into the next, make a double crochet, and that's your repeat again. So I'll be doing this really fast, and I'll meet you at the end of row 2 to continue with the last row. I have now reached the end of the of row 2. I just wanted to show you where to make your last double crochet. From previous row, we had skipped 5 chains. This counted as a stitch at the base, 3 chains for the double crochet, and then 1 chain for the just a regular chain. So we'll be skipping that, and then into the second chain we will make the double crochet. Okay, and this is how the second row looks like. Now we start row number 3, and for that I will cut the yellow yarn and bring it back up here at the beginning. Pull it through the loop like we did before, and then turn. And row 3 starts with chain 4, and that counts as a double crochet and a regular chain. Then we skip 1 stitch, and then into the next we double crochet. And again, if you don't want to count stitches, remember you double crochet in the middle stitch of the cluster, so the middle double crochet, and then you make the cluster around the double crochet post. So we've made our double crochet, we skip another one, and we make 3 front post double crochet stitches around the double crochet post below. So again, yarn over, insert your hook below and behind the double crochet post, and make your double crochet. And we make 3 of them in total. So this is the second one, and then the third one. Okay, and now again we skip 1 stitch and we double crochet in the next. And this is your repeat section. Again, skip 1, then make 3 front post double crochet in a double crochet below, skip 1, and then double crochet into the middle of the 3 double crochet below. And we repeat this until we have 2 stitches left. Now let me show you again 1 repeat, and then I'll just jump straight to the end of the row. So again, we skip 1, this stitch, and 3 front post double crochet around the post below. That's 1, 2, and 3. And then skip another one and double crochet into the next. So repeat this section until you have 2 stitches left. So now I'm at the end of row 3, and I have 2 stitches left. I will skip 1, chain 1, and then double crochet into the last. And our last double crochet, it's actually the chain 3 that we've made at the beginning of previous row, and we will double crochet into the top chain of that chain 3. And this is how the third row looks like. And now you can see how it also looks on the back. You can see how the pattern develops. All you have to do now is repeat these 2 rows. Row 2 and 3, repeat until you have the desired length to your project. And this is how you crochet the 3D cluster stitch. If you have any questions about this pattern, put them in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Happy crocheting!